Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we're diving into a problem from the topic of exponential function context and data modeling. We're looking at how to model website traffic using exponential functions. Let's get started. An online blog tracks its monthly visitors counts, which we need to model using the right function. Here is the data. We have the first 5 months starting from the zero. An online blog. So an online blog tracks its monthly visitor counts, as I said. Select the function the best models an increasing trend in the website traffic. T months 0 through 4 and the visits W is 10 to 15, 22.5, 33.75, and 50.63. So if you just pay attention, at the month 0, we have 10,000 visits. And by the month 4, the visits have increased about like 50.63 thousands. So our job is to pick the best function that models with this growth. Excuse me. Option A suggests a linear growth. This is a linear model, right? Which doesn't quite fit our increasing rate. Because also you can, just give it a try to do some numbers as well, but this is a linear. This is not a exponential function. But if you will just apply for t equals 0, so this is 10. This choice is 10. And the choice B, if you will put 0 to the power of 0 is 1. 10 times 1 is 10. Okay, this works. If you put 0 for 15, so 15 times 0 is 0, so that you can go ahead and eliminate the choice C. If you put 0 to D, 1.5 to the power of 0 is 1, so 10. So E, B, and D is still works. And for the value of 1, if you put T1, this becomes 10 plus 5 plus 1. So it still works, 15. And the choice B, if you put 1 in there, 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 times 10 is 20. So, but we had 15 in the choices. Because of that, B is not the answer. So what about D? In this section, we're just going to put 1 again. Then 1.5 times 10 also gives you 15. So, and if you will use value 2 now, the data 2, t equals 2. Now we are between A and D. 10 plus 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. And as you can see, for the month of 2, we don't have 20. We have something greater than 20. That's 22.5. Because of that, choice A is not the answer as well. So the choice D will be the answer then. But when you put T.2, so this becomes 10 times, you can imagine this way. Let me show you. 10 times 1.5 to the power of 2 means 1.5 times 1.5. You can do the algebraic calculation this way. 10 times 15 over 10. 15 over 10. So this cancels this out. 15 times 15 is 225. Divided by 10 is 22.5 thousand data, which works with our given data. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.